Okay. Let's head on outside and go to the garage here. Ooh, it's dark. Yeah, let there be light. So I picked this thing up on Temu. And, well, the ad was a little misleading to say the least. That thing, in the ad, it looked like it was, about 2 foot long. The way they had it displayed, kind of had a person holding it. Got to be careful on Temu. Got to go down and maybe check the description out a little bit. Get your dimensions. But welcome back, YouTube scrollers. Thanks for stopping by. Just thought I'd give you a little public service announcement. It doesn't do bad. I mean, it really doesn't do too bad. But like I said, as you can see, it's not nearly 2 foot. It's probably 9-10 inches. Oh well. Go around here. Get in the old garage. Sorry it's dark. Well, that's weird. Oh, I guess the motion sensor. I don't know. Anyways, bring in the old messy garage. So, definitely messy in here. But I just haven't had a lot of time. Been busy. Yada, yada, yada. You know the story. Had a lot of stuff going on, a lot of projects going on, and I'm terrible about putting stuff away. So, I thought what I might do, since I haven't done anything like this on the channel yet, thought I'd do an impromptu tool review, or just not really a tool review, but show you a couple new tools that I just picked up. So, right here's the first one. Old Pittsburgh ratchet. I like the green. Definitely like the green better than the red. Say what you want to say about Harbor Freight. I mean, they have, for the do-it-yourselfer, for the DIY guy, I mean, you can't beat it. I mean, it's, if you're not wrenching every day, if you're not working on stuff every single day, and that's not how you make your living, Harbor Freight's the way to go. That's just my opinion. But so a couple other things that I picked up, not at Harbor Freight. These are the Milwaukee. Got a deep and a shallow 3/8 inch drive. They got them 4 square sides. So, yeah. So they don't roll away on you. So, of course, I got 10 millimeter because that seems to be the socket that gets up and walks away. So they say. But, yeah, pretty nice. I like them. This one, even, as you can see there, kind of Let's see if I can get you in closer. Got the old Milwaukee etched on it. That's pretty cool. So, you know. So that's just what I picked up today. Something else that Harbor Freight's really good for is kind of their consumables. Old refrigerator there. Picked up some gloves, some rubber gloves, and like I said, can't beat it. Price was right. You know, Harbor Freight, for the DIY guy, I've done a lot of business with them because I don't work on cars, or I'm not in the construction trade or anything like that. So from a DIY standpoint, I mean, you can't beat it. I don't think. So try to do this one-handed. I'm filming with my phone, by the way. So maybe later on, if the channel takes off, you know, that Milwaukee fit right on there. Imagine that. So a lot of controversy around Harbor Freight. They have the Icon tool line, and I got to be honest with you, right here, this is plenty. I mean, for me, the Icon, I guess they're nice. I don't know. They're still a little pricey for me, because like I said, I'm just a weekender, on the fly DIY guy. I do not do this stuff for a living. So the better price I get, the happier I am. And I don't know where you folks hail from, but around here we have Rural King, and this is their house brand of oil, I'm going to assume. Pretty price point reasonable. So, you know, if you just need to top something off or whatever, and they even have synthetic, so that's pretty reasonable price too for the quarts, and they also have the 5-quart jugs. But so my goal is to keep these videos under 10 minutes to keep people kind of interested. So I just wanted to break in on a little bit of a tool haul there today. Obviously not a review, haven't used it, but I can't imagine that anything will be wrong with those tools. There'll be more tool reviews and tool hauls and stuff like that coming down the line with the channel. And so stick around, and if you would, go ahead and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. It really helps the channel, I guess. So I kind of like to grow the channel and maybe even get some better equipment so I don't have to make these videos on my phone. But thanks for stopping in, and until next time, have a great night.